Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to delete slides in Google Slides. For some people who have just started using Google Slides as alternatives for PowerPoint, it can be confusing to perform a few basic functions. One of these is the ability to delete slides. Let's take a look at how you can delete slides in Google Slides. Open Google Slides. The first option is easy. Right-click on the slide that you want to remove. Choose Delete from the list, and done. The second option is to use Top Tools bar. Click on Slide and choose Delete Slide from the list. The final option is to use your keyboard. Click on the slide that you need. Press Delete on your keyboard to remove the slide. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!